Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Emily, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make these 2 spring garlands. Let's get on with the video. The first garland I'm going to show you how to make is a bunny garland. What you will need for this DIY is scrapbook or cardstock paper, scissors, a pencil, cotton balls, a glue gun, string, and tape. The first thing you want to do is to draw or print out a bunny stencil out of some paper and cut it out. Then you want to trace the stencil onto any colored scrapbook or cardstock paper. You can also use paper that has a pattern. After you have traced the template, you can cut the bunnies out, and you can make as many as you want. Now you can take some cotton balls, and if you want, you can rip them apart to make smaller cotton balls. And if you do rip it apart, make sure you form it back into a ball. You can also use pom-poms instead, but you can't rip those apart. After you have formed your cotton balls, you can glue them onto where the bunny's tails would go. The last thing you have to do is to tape the bunnies onto the string and hang it onto the wall with some tape. The last garland I'm going to show you how to make is a flower and a bee garland. What you will need for this DIY is paper, a pencil, scissors, a marker, a paintbrush, paint, tape, and string. The first thing you want to do is to draw or print out a template of a bee and a flower. Then you want to trace out as many bees and flowers that you want, and then you want to cut them all out. After you get all of your flowers and bees cut out, you want to paint them any color that you want. I painted the middle of the flowers yellow, and the bees black and yellow. When the flowers and the bees were dry, I took a marker and outlined the flower. And then I drew on a face to the bee, and I also outlined the bee's wings with a marker. You can either draw on the outline and the face with a marker, or you can just paint it on instead. And you want to do this to all of your flowers and your bees, so they can have some extra detail on them. The last thing you have to do is to tape the bees and the flowers onto the string and hang it onto the wall with some tape. And that's how you make these garlands. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about these DIYs and which one is your favorite. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Bye!